Claude fires off multiple tools calls at once, like grabbing files and hitting APIs without waiting in line. Cursor integrates well with your editor, but lacks that parallel punch for complex ops. So in my test, Claude coordinated searches and code writes seamlessly, cutting down on the back and forth. Cursor's strength is editor-specific tricks, but it can feel sequential when things get hairy. Claude's updates after each call keeps token counts in check, avoiding coherence drops. So for devs like us chasing efficiency, this makes Claude a beast for multi-step workflows. Now, Claude's context editing prunes old data automatically, keeping sessions lean at 200,000 tokens. Cursor relies on your editor setup, which can bloat up fast without built-in cleanup. So I've used Claude to persist architecture choices across files without re-explaining everything. Cursor is great for in-file focus, but drops the ball on long-term state. So Claude's beta memory tools store info externally like a dev notebook that never forgets. Now, this can save you hours of this setup can save hours on recent projects that you're working on. So, we can definitely talk about the agent SDK, right? Which this allows us to dive into how you're, create some of the new agents that they're building here. So let's talk about some of these new agents, right? Creating new types of agents. We believe giving Claude a computer unlocks the ability to build agents that are not as effective as before. For example, our SDK developers can build financial agents, personal assistant agents, customer support agents, deep research agents. Now, and so much more. At its core, the SDK gives you the primitives to build agents for whatever workflow you're trying to automate. And this is stuff that you just simply wouldn't want to put up into the cloud. So this gives you the ability to take these and then build them down on your local machine. And there are steps here, so in Claude Code, Claude often operates in specific feedback loops: gather context, take action, verify work, repeat. Now, this verify work is really important because you can't just outright trust agents. We're not at that level yet. You always need to make sure that you build in a human in the loop. If you're not, you're going to be sorely upset with this. Now, Claude nails 82% on SWE benchmark verified, solving actual GitHub issues with human checked accuracy. Cursor performs solidly on coding benchmarks, but trails in bug fixing realism. So drawing on my years of experience from enterprise messes, Claude's score reflects practical debugging skills. So tests show that Claude outperforms GPT variants here and makes it reliable for production code. Now, Claude scores low on misalignment at 13%, dodging deception or wild outputs better than competitors. Cursor sometimes hallucinates incompletions, and this needing more manual checks. Claude's control makes it safer for business-critical code without constant oversight. If you like this clip, make sure you check out the full Startup Hack Live video here because we've got lots more for you today.